everyone, how are you? Today's my cooking is a bowl of rice topped with an egg and canned mackerel. You do not need any pans, but only a microwave range. Ingredients: a can of mackerel 190 gram, a can of mackerel, sliced onion 20 gram, oh I forgot it, an egg, seasonings, Bonito juice stock tablespoon 2, Bonito stock, water 20 milliliter, Bonito stock 20 milliliter, canned juice 20 milliliter. How to cook it? 1. Add Bonito juice stock 20 milliliter, canned juice 20 milliliter and water 20 milliliter in a bowl. Then mix them in it. 2. Add sliced onion and canned mackerel in the bowl. 3. Heat the wrapped bowl with onion, mackerel and seasonings for 1 minute half in the microwave range. 4. Break an egg into the bowl after heating it in the range for 1 minute half. 5. Heat the bowl in the range again for 1.5 minutes. 6. Wait for about 1.5 minutes after taking out the bowl from the range. 7. Put the contents of the bowl on the top of steamed rice. That's all for my cooking this evening. Let's start cooking. Canned juice, water, tablespoon 2, and Bonito juice stock. Tablespoon 2. Add onion, sliced onion, oh call me the can, no. Top of the gas. Now What is next? Add mackerel. Then break an egg. Beat a lightly beat. No. And wrap it. Heat this in the range, microwave range. My side dish is done. This is my main dish with kimchi. Now add this on the top of rice. Okay, it's time to eat. Bon appétit! いただきます。